Step 26 and 27. Mount the camera and cabling. Mount the camera on the top right corner of the printer. Mount the cables following their labels to the stepper motors. Plug the large ribbon cable from the mainboard box into the electronic board for cables. Mount the cables of the heated bed to the mainboard box. The Z and Y stepper motor cables come directly from the mainboard box and need to be connected as well. Connect the Y end stop directly to the mainboard box. Put the cables in spiral tubes and place them in the V-groove extrusion profiles for a better look.